Are you struggling with muscle soreness after workouts or looking to recover faster and perform better? The key lies in the foods you eat. In this video, we're exploring the 10 best foods that can supercharge your muscle recovery and keep you at peak performance. Let's start with a fan favorite, salmon. This nutrient-dense fish is packed with protein, which repairs muscle tissue, and omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and soreness. It's an excellent choice for post-workout meals, helping your body recover faster and stronger. Next, we have sweet potatoes. These vibrant root vegetables are loaded with complex carbohydrates to replenish your energy stores after a workout. They also contain potassium and vitamins that support muscle function and reduce cramping. Eggs are another must-have for recovery. They provide high-quality protein and all 9 essential amino acids your body needs for muscle repair. Quick, versatile, and affordable, eggs are a staple for anyone serious about fitness. For a green powerhouse, turn to spinach. It's rich in iron to improve oxygen delivery to muscles and loaded with antioxidants that combat oxidative stress caused by intense exercise. A handful of spinach in your meals can work wonders. Let's not forget Greek yogurt. This creamy delight is packed with protein to rebuild muscles and probiotics to enhance gut health, ensuring you absorb nutrients effectively. Top it with fruits for a perfect post-workout snack. When it comes to combating inflammation, tart cherry juice is a game changer. It's filled with antioxidants that reduce muscle soreness and help you recover quicker. Consider adding a glass to your recovery routine after high-intensity workouts. On the go, grab a handful of almonds. These nutrient-packed nuts provide healthy fats, magnesium, and vitamin E, all of which help repair muscle damage and reduce oxidative stress. For plant-based recovery, include quinoa in your meals. It's a complete protein source with essential amino acids and carbohydrates that fuel your body and promote muscle repair. Need an instant energy boost? Bananas are your best friend. They're rich in natural sugars and potassium, which replenishes electrolytes and prevents cramps, making them an ideal snack before or after a workout. Finally, spice up your meals with turmeric. Its active compound, curcumin, has potent anti-inflammatory properties that reduce soreness and speed up recovery. Add it to teas, smoothies, or meals to harness its benefits. Incorporating these foods into your diet will not only aid muscle recovery, but also enhance your overall performance. Remember, recovery is just as important as the effort you put into your workouts. Now it's your turn. Start fueling your body with the right nutrients and experience the difference. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on health and fitness, and share your favorite recovery foods in the comments. See you next time.